So, first thing I want to talk about is Dollar Tree has a new collection called the Poolside Collection. And I guess Markwins Color Workshop is doing these little small displays, and they go fast. I never was able to find the light pink lipstick. They don't have names, just numbers. And they also made a same display as they did for the Spring On and Poolside Glam for their beauty benefits. It's smaller. Doesn't bring eyeshadow, but it brings like stuff for your face, your brows, liner, mascara, but like no glosses, lip colors. It has like one blush color. I took a picture, so I'll show you. So I just filled up. I got this for $1 at Walmart. It's purple. You know I love purple, so I had to get it. You know, and disclaimer, I will always say this: I don't celebrate Halloween. I don't believe in what it stands for, but it is my favorite season because of all the makeup that you can get during that time. So I just have everything thrown in here. So I'll take everything out and I'll just show you. The first thing let me show you is from Beauty Benefits. They come carded instead of in a box. I guess they're trying to make things cheaper, you know, less expense on their part. It comes with 2 eyebrow colors and a wax, and these colors are lighter than their previous brow kits. They came out with only 1 blush, however, they were the same numbers. I checked the back, the numbers in the back, but some were a little bit lighter than the others. I picked the darkest pink that I could find. There was only like 3, and it looked like they might have been 3 different shades, but they all had the same number. And I think it might have come with 4 in a slot. So that's the blush. And they only have 1 contour this time. A light and a dark contour. It is not frosty or shimmery. It is just the mattes that I can tell. Little tiny ones. And then they came out with a highlighting duo. And these are probably the exact same thing because I did compare them. The Dollar Trees that I visited, this was going towards Sugarland, because going to like League City, I haven't even gone into Houston in a while, but they didn't have this. It was just only on the way to Sugarland. When I checked the ones near me, they had just the Poolside Collection, and it was gone. Like, it was empty, the display. But this is the only color they had. They had 2 sections for this, if I'm not mistaken, and 3 sections for this, for the contour. So that's the highlighter. And again, all the same number. And then lastly, they had like 5 slots for this. I think each slot had 4, and they were all the same color. That is your face powder. So I don't know. I don't know if that's what they're gonna switch to. I do know that, in my opinion, those were $1, and yet before you had a really big size for $1. So obviously you were getting more for your money, a lot more for your money, if you had found the original Beauty Benefits. You know, they've been doing it like every year or every other year. Now, like every year, they started coming out with a whole humongous big pink box display. And now they're coming out with the smaller displays. So I believe that was it, because they also had the liquid liner, mascara, and the pencils, and I didn't want that, so I didn't really bother with that. Okay, so they came out with 5 glosses again, and this time, since they were all full displays going from here to Sugarland, I was able to get everything. Not like last time. Like I got, actually, little by little, I got almost everything. I didn't want the peach lipstick, and I couldn't find the pink lipstick. I'm so mad. But the light pink, they had the dark pink and the red, but those light pinks went fast, and I didn't even. Some had only the peach, and I didn't want that. But I got everything else of those displays. But here is the new ones, and I did compare them, and they are different. Gold, purple, very pretty purple shimmery color. They have like this coral color. At first I thought it was a red like the other one, but it's not. Then they have a nude color. And then they had like a very, very like nude pink, light pink color for the glosses. They came out with 5 different color bronzers, 2 highlighters, and 3 blushes. And no, I'm wondering if, at first I thought they were the same, but then they were a little different when I compared them. But you know how that is. But you know, for $1, why not? So these were the 2 highlighters. They had 2 different color highlighters, a lighter one and like a medium one. And then these are the blushes. Again, they look almost the same. At first I wasn't going to get them, but then I said, you know what, I'll get them, because to me the other ones seemed darker, and then when I compared them, these just have some shimmer in them and the other ones didn't. And then they had 5 different color bronzers, and the only way to know is by looking at the numbers in the back. And the way I see this, as I'm getting older, you could use these for your eye contour as well, not just your face contour. And some of them are light enough to be just bronzers, but that's what I like about them, is that I can use them on my eyes as well. And then lastly, they had 6 new color eyeshadows, and at first I wondered if a few colors were the same, but they weren't. They were different. These are all different, 6 new colors. So here you have 3 of the colors. These were much more intense. The other ones were the spring ones were more pastel-y. These were more like a little brighter, more intense colors. So I just had to get them. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you. So I believe I said last week I hit Five Below, nothing. I hit the 2 Walmarts that I knew would carry the big ginormous Fantasy Makers 4 display, nothing yet. I'm trying to think. And then HEB, they told me that they were gonna put it out. I think I went grocery shopping on Friday, and I think they said that it would be out by the weekend. So I don't know what's going on with that. I know they're doing construction right there by the highway. I live near the highway. HEB is on the other side of the highway, and it's taking forever to get over there. So I haven't gone there yet to see what their display is like. But so nothing more about Fantasy Makers.